UTech.
Press Windows key plus R, and type NetBlwiz. Select the account you want to hide, and click Properties. Make note of the username for the account. Press Windows key plus R, and type reget. Browse the following path: key_local_machine/software/Microsoft/Windows NT/current version/WinLogon. Right-click on the WinLogon, select New and click Key. Name the new key Special Accounts. Right-click on the Special Accounts, select New and click Key. Name the new key, User List. Right-click on User List, select New and click Word, 32-bit, value. Name the new word key with the name of the account you're trying to hide. Double-click the new word key and make sure its data value is set to 0. In order to make a hidden account visible again, you'll have to go back to the registry user list key using the steps mentioned and change the username data key value from 0 to 1.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and check other videos.